Morning and welcome to today's video. In this video we will be making a treasure map. For this lesson you will need paper, tea, mix it with a little bit of water, plastic, pencil, colours, you can use whatever you want, and some rice. To start off, pour some of the rice over your piece of paper. This is going to become your island for your treasure map. Spread the rice around until you're happy with the shape of your island. Use the extra rice to make smaller islands. When you are happy with the shape, use your pencil to outline your island. The rice makes it great for giving an authentic look for your map's landmass. Awesome! Let's clean up our rice. Beautiful, now we have a great island shape. Now you can fill in your map. Add mountains and rivers and lakes. Here's a volcano, some forests and farms. If you want, add some traps and maybe some monsters while guarding your treasure. You can also add names of places on your island. Be creative. Write your island's name on your map. When you feel that you are ready, cover your surface with your plastic bag. This will make it easier to clean up later. Place your map on the plastic and bring out the tea bag. In this video we are using the tea bag to paint the paper. Squeeze your tea bag out before you begin. This makes sure it doesn't wet your paper too much because that could break the paper. Now spread the tea across your map as if it were paint. Once your page has been painted with tea, let it dry. Once it's dry, clean up the plastic and the tea bag. The plastic bag can be used for other art in the future. Great, now use your colours to mark out the treasure. I'm using red. Draw an X where your treasure can be found, then draw little dashes all over your map leading to it. When you are done, use other colours to add more detail. I'm using blue for the water. Awesome, here is your treasure map. Happy treasure hunting! Please make sure to like, subscribe and push that bell. Art Studio would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let us know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send us a picture or tag us so we can see what you made. Hope you enjoyed!